Today I want to find the last value, so the last not empty cell. And how can we do it in Excel? We can use at least two formulas, one with XLOOKUP and one with the just lookup function. And to make those formula easier, I will show you a helper column when we are checking if the cell is empty. So we have to just look at the cell in the table isn't equal to the empty cell, some empty text string, so two double quotes. And just like that, I can copy formula down, and we have to choose when the cell isn't empty and false if it is. And I just have to create such column for XLOOKUP function and find the last true. So I'm just writing XLOOKUP function. I'm looking at this column in the table at first, and it shouldn't be values that are empty. So when I show it like this and F9, we can see this is this column of true and falses. Then I have to find trues. So the first argument should be true, and the second argument is this lookup array, and then we want to return the same column in this example, and then we have to go to the last argument of XLOOKUP function, so search mode, and here we can write -1 to search from the last to first, and just like that we have the last value. And when I drag it to the side, the formula changed to the column next to the water column. So just like that we find the last values, and when I, for example, delete those values, we will find the now last values. So our formula works. But we can write similar formula with just lookup function that doesn't have this option to looking from the end, from last to first. So how can we do it? We have to modify our formula here in helper column. We have to divide 1 by result of our logical test. If we do such a thing, we will get ones where we have true value and divide by 0 error where we have empty cells, and we have just ones and errors. And when we have such a column, we can find value of 2, so the number bigger than any number in this column. In such case, lookup function will find the last last number lower than we are looking for. So 2 is enough for this example. So once again, this time lookup function, not XLOOKUP. So lookup function, and we are looking for 2. It's enough number. And lookup vector, we have to create this helper column. So we have to 1 divide by our logical test. So this column is not equal to the empty text string, 2 double quotes, and we need to get the result vector. So once again, this column from a table, and just Control Enter, and we have the same result. We can copy this formula to the side, the right, and we have this time for inspector. And once again, when I delete last value, we will get the different result in our formulas. We can also write here numbers, logical values. We are just looking for the last not empty cell.